B5 Passat trunk latch mechanism. How to remove it from the trunk. First, you pull the carpeted panel from the inside of the trunk lid. You've got to disconnect this linkage on this end. You've got to take those two nuts off. There'll be a number of electrical connectors you'll need to disconnect. And the next thing you need to do to get this off the inside of the trunk is release it from this plate. This plate is still going to be bolted to the inside of the trunk lid. In order to release this mechanism from that plate, you see that horizontal bar in there? Got to get a knife or screwdriver or something in there and lift up that bar. It's a little clip. See it moving? It moves pretty easily, and it wants to snap back down when I'm not putting tension on it. Okay, if you can get that guy up high enough. See, I don't know if you can see in there. I got that thing lifted up. Then we can pull and wiggle this mechanism, and it should work itself off of that plate. Come on off. I may not have it high enough. There we go. It's working off the plate. Wiggling it, pulling it, there we go, it released. Now this plate is still going to be attached to the inside of the trunk lid. It's bolted with two more bolts. But this is the part that we're after. We got it off the vehicle. Now that clip is still in there. I didn't remove it. I just lifted it to release this part from the other part. Now that we've got this off the vehicle, there's your lock cylinder. Grab the lock cylinder and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. And that releases it. And I can wiggle it, pull it, and out it comes. And then for reassembly, get it in there in the right orientation, all the tabs lined up, press it in and wiggle it till it bottoms out, turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and it's back locked in where it belongs. And then to put this back into the trunk lid, this will still be attached to the inside of your trunk lid. That clip will retain this. Once you get this in, it'll click into place, and that clip will hold it in there. So kind of get it all lined up, get it on the shaft, wiggle it and press it, and clips into place. It's locked into place. It's not going anywhere. Put your two nuts back on, put your electrical connectors back on, reattach your linkage. Hope this helps.